Hello YouTube, how you guys doing, man? It's been a fucking forever since I posted a video. Well, it's only a week, so, but it looks like it's been forever. And yeah, I'm sorry, you guys still waiting on the part 3 of the motor show. But I don't really like to do those videos, you know, to make them. But I will do them soon, I promise. I don't like them, but I will do them soon. If that motherfucker kill me, no. There you go. So, there we go. Oh. Damn speed bump. Oh, I got some great topics today. I've been looking for a new exhaust for my VFR. And if you ask me, don't he make enough noise already? Yes, but I want some more noise because I like it. And I'm scared I lost my freaking phone, but I guess I don't. I don't hope so, because I'll be fucked. I'll be fucked, yes. Shit. I'm not gonna check it now. Let's see if I'm oh well. Well, I'm gonna buy, oh well, I'm looking to buy, I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I'm looking to buy a new exhaust. Well, not the whole exhaust, but only the damper. I don't know how you call it in English. The last part of the exhaust, you know, the noisy bit. I see one, a Taconi exhaust. I see one for 239 euros. That's about, I don't know, $320, I guess. No, it's about $300. Let's say about that. Yeah, it's about $300. And yeah, I'm looking to get that one because I want more noise, and I'm gonna keep this bike for a few years, so it doesn't matter. So what's your thought about that, guys? Oh, you better stop, you freaking Mongol. What's your thought about that? Look at that, it's our police. Woo! Wave to the police. No, I don't, because he's gonna fuck me. Hi there, you son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Oh, and I got some great other news. I got a German subscriber. Woohoo! Yeah, there is. Yeah, I actually got a new subscriber, and he's German. After all those, well, you call it, well, it's not really insults. Well, a little bit. But he still chose to sub me. Yeah, there's a big thumbs up for Dagoon or something like that. I don't know what's his real name. I don't know what his name exactly is. Dagoon. Dagoon, I don't know. Something like that. And he subscribed to me, and what the hell? Pretty damn good, is it? And he asked me he lives close to me. He lives on the other side. I live near the German border, and he lives near the Dutch border. And guess what? He wants to ride with me, and that's awesome. And I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. And he's gonna show me some twisties in Germany. Some German twisties, yeah? Das ist ja ganz toll. Yeah, I speak a little bit German. Yes, a little bit. So yeah, thumbs up for that. And I wanted to use this video also to do a little live update. I told you guys I had a house which is for sale, and we sold it. Yes, we sold it. Finally, I can go on. I'm still in love. Yes, very nice. Still going strong, and we have a great time together. That's why I have not as much time as I wish to make those videos. And if you don't kill me, please. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, sorry. That was a little bit, you know, a little bit extreme right there. But that doesn't matter. And that's why I didn't post a lot of videos, and I didn't even ride my bike as much as I wish to, which is never good. And I want to apologize again for riding the same freaking boring route to my work. And I know it's getting boring. Boring, Chris. It's getting boring. I know, and I promise you, again, but I promise you, there will be a change soon. I'm not going to change my job, but I want to, you know, spring is coming up, it's nice weather, I'm going to do some riding with my friends, and there are going to be new roads with a lot of twisties in it. Yes. So, the other thing is, I'm going to do, I don't know how you call it, let me see, I'm going to look it up on Google, and I'm going to translate it down below. You know, you're something with an annotation right here. I'm going to do a slip courses. That's Dutch for a course to, you know, when you slide, to keep your bike under control. Slide control course or something. I don't know how you call it in English. And I'm going to do that the 22nd of March, so that's the end of the month. And I'm gonna film that all. So a new adventure under, holy crap. Yeah, take the inside of the car, you little dickhead. A new adventure in the life of Chris. Yes. Yeah, that's about it. I'm almost at my work again. And I'll see you guys later. And I promise I'll put that video up, because people will start to ask, what the hell, dude? Where is that part 3 of the motor show? I know. Okay? So, we'll see. Be nice to your mother, as like my buddy says, and say hello to your freaking hot sister, although Empty Central didn't have any freaking hot sisters, he said. He had a sister, but she wasn't really hot. Well, I'm not gonna get into details now. See you guys later. Bye-bye, man. Bye-bye.
Discover Provider.